Turkey is working on a comprehensive plan to achieve maximum self-sufficiency in the field of land, air and sea military industries. This is how Turkey develops its military arsenal within the 2023 plan. In this video, we show you advanced missiles with enormous destructive power that enter service in Turkey and raise the efficiency of its marches. But before we get started, don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel. The Turkish Institute for Defense Industry Studies and Development, SAGA, has arrived to the stage of mass production of munitions and various products used with UAVs, raising its efficiency and enhancing its influence in military operations. The tests of the Bozok laser-guided missile project were also completed. The missile will also be an effective weapon that can be used effectively with drones. UAV weapons and ammunition grew in importance, with the increase in the impact of this type of aircraft significantly on the battlefields during the recent period. The importance of weapons and sub-munitions that can be used with different types of UAVs. Roketsan Corporation is preparing to deliver the new generation of the Chakir cruise missile to the Turkish forces, immediately after the completion of treatment and the necessary examinations. The missile has tremendous destructive power. A new generation cruise missile Chakir is also expected to be launched at the end of this year. Turkey is also working to create a strong infrastructure. This would provide the country's defense technology needs. Chakir is powered by a domestically developed KTJ 1750 jet engine. Chakir is able to perform his tasks with ease thanks to the flexibility offered by his design. The missile has a high destructive power against targets, with its innovative warhead and its choice of target point. It also provides the ability to hit targets with high accuracy under different weather conditions. It allows changing or canceling the target during its path as per the user's choice. The most prominent feature of Chakir is his ability to perform tasks according to the concept of a squadron. This allows a coordinated attack with a large number of ammunition. It also facilitates the defeat of the enemy's defensive systems. It also has the advantage of being able to survive in severe electronic interference situations, thanks to the GNSS anti-jamming system and the altimeter-supported inertial navigation system. In your opinion, will Turkey succeed in manufacturing new advanced missiles? It enters the service in Turkey and raises the efficiency of its marches. Write us your opinion in the comments. Here we come to the end of the video. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel.